In front of me is on our pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen if your tablet is rotated, or in my case, on the left. Then access it in the background and click on this icon at the top right corner of it. Now with first app opened in pop-up view, click on this line at the top of it and select split screen view icon. Then click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can go back into background apps and swipe both. Or you can hold those three dots in the middle of them and drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!